By now, you know that you can get paid to write. Yes, but do you also know that you can get paid to read? In one of my previous videos, someone asked me about websites that pays people to read. I did some research and found a few genuine platforms. So if you are not a writer but love reading and want to monetize your hobby, this video is for you. I will share 5 websites that pays you for reading and reviewing books. If you are new here, I talk about making money online and monetizing your career through online platforms. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. So let's get into the video. The first site on my list is called Online Book Club. Before I proceed, here is what you need to know. These are genuine sites that requires honest reviews. Don't try to use AI to generate reviews or skip reading the book. You need to enjoy reading, fully understand the book, and write a genuine review. Online Book Club can detect fake reviews, so only join if you are serious. They first send you free book to review. Once you are successfully complete your first review, you are qualified to earn $5 to $60 per book, depending on the title. The second site on my list is called Booklist. It works similarly. You register and indicate interest. They send you a book to review. After reading the book, you write a review of 150 to 180 words. They pay $15 per review, and most reviewers complete 2 to 3 reviews per month. The third site is Keku's Reviews Career Session. They are hiring English and Spanish reviewers. They require a 350-word review, and payment details are shared when you contact their editor. You must submit a review within 2 weeks of receiving the book, so be sure you can meet the deadline before you sign up. The next is the US Review of Books. They expect 250 to 300 words review. To join, contact the editor, send your resume. 2 to 3 review samples are needed from you and 2 references. Once approved, you can start writing reviews and earn monthly payments. The lastly but not the least, there is Weekly Discovery. This site pay you per sale. If someone buys a book based on your review, you earn a commission. Your earning depends on the number of sales from your review. If reading is your passion, these websites are a great opportunity to monetize your hobby. If you enjoy reading, check out all these platforms that I mentioned earlier and start earning. I will leave the links to all these sites in the video description below for easy access. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do to avoid missing my future content, and always leave a comment in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video. Peace.